Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to see how we can uninstall any app from our Android. So let's take an example of this scanner app. Let's say we want to remove this app. To uninstall it, first of all we need to get its package name. If you go to app info, and from here you will get the package name. So it's an internal app, you cannot directly uninstall it from your Android. So after that, you have to use ADB. ADB should be installed in your PC. If it's not installed, I will link the videos below for both Windows and Mac that how you can install ADB. Once done, you type ADB devices. And once you do that, you should see your device here. Once it's done, go to ADB and then type shell. ADB shell, you will go to the shell of your device. Once that's done, then you have to type pm uninstall --user 0, and after that you have to write your package name, that is let me just turn this phone on. com.showme.scanner, and once it's typed you can hit enter. It will show as success. Now let's go back. We will see whether our scanner app is gone or not. You can see our scanner app is removed. Let's try one more app. So this ShareMe is also one of the internal app. To uninstall it, we have to go again and get the package name. It's com.showme.mi drop, and we have to just change this mi drop and hit enter. It's also success. Now see, ShareMe is also gone. In the same way, you can remove Bloatware or other apps from your Android without rooting it. I hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, you can hit that like button. If you don't, you can hit that dislike button and provide suggestion below. And for more future videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.